Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 guys, F11 even it will work. If you need to remove or replace a reverse light bulb, the one for reverse gear that lights up light white on the back, stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, how to get to it. You will need to remove the trunk liner in order to get to them, and there is 4 hidden screws. If you don't know about them, you have really hard time and you can even damage your trunk liner, and it's expensive guys. So make sure to stay until the end, we'll cover very helpful information today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos and we can guys provide helpful information. If you need to buy any parts, tools at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So specifically we'll be demonstrating on a 2013 BMW 520i. Okay, that's the one that we have right here. And if we come towards the trunk guys, let us show you now. Those are the reverse light bulbs. Okay, we're talking right here. One there, one on the right side. Both of them will be identical procedure. What you will need to do in order to get to them, you will need to first remove the trunk liner right here. For any of you guys that do not know how to do it, we have a special video that explains how to remove trunk liner on BMW, because you will need to remove it, otherwise it's almost impossible. There is hidden screws, and if you don't know where they are located, 4 of them, you will damage it. So check out the complete video how to remove trunk liner on BMW F10. We have it on our channel. Once you do that guys, we're going to come right here. Let's just focus like that. Perfect. You have 2 tabs. Those 2 tabs, you're going to squeeze them at the same time and pull that thing down. Okay. You have the bulbs. You can see it right there. Now you grab that bulb, you pull it out. This is guys your reverse light bulb. You can replace it with LED if you want. You grab the new one after that. You go ahead. Okay, align everything and push it in. Now when you go in, it's very important to go in at the same time guys. Okay. At the same time, because right here that's where it's contacting with the LED as well. So both knobs at the same time, squeeze them, push in, you're practically ready to go. That's how you guys do it. It takes very short amount of time once you know what you're doing. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.